Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh mushroom soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms. We'll start by preparing these, then move on to sautéing them to bring out their deep, earthy flavors. Next, we'll create a wonderfully creamy base, and finally, we'll add the finishing touches to make your homemade soup truly delicious and satisfying. Proper preparation is key to a great soup. Begin by gently cleaning your fresh mushrooms with a damp cloth, avoiding waterlogging them. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These will form the aromatic foundation of our soup. Also, measure out 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth and prepare about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for a vibrant garnish later. Now, let's start cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until fragrant. Next, brown your sliced mushrooms in batches to ensure they get a beautiful, deep color, then deglaze the pan with a splash of vegetable broth. To finish our delicious soup, pour in the remaining vegetable broth and bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld for about 10 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, then stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, warming it through without boiling. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme to taste. Ladle into bowls and garnish with your fresh parsley before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.